Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use Arbitrum on Uniswap. For that, first of all, you just have to launch your web browser and in the search bar, you will have to type uniswap.org. Now, once you are on this page, you will have to click on the launch app in the top right hand corner of the screen and then you will be landed on this page. Now, once you are on this page, you need to hover over to the top right hand corner where you are going to see this connect button. So simply need to click on connect and after that you will have to select MetaMask wallet. Once done, your MetaMask wallet will be selected over here. So in order to use Arbitrum 1 over here, you first have to select the Arbitrum 1 network. In order to do this, you can click on this top arrow button right next to it and here you are going to see Arbitrum. So after selecting Arbitrum, the Arbitrum network will be selected over here. Now, if you want to select it in your MetaMask wallet, then you will have to click on the MetaMask wallet extension in the top and then you are going to see this type of section over here. So if you click on this section, you are going to see a bunch of different networks that you can choose. So among these networks, you will have to click on Arbitrum 1. Now, for any reason, if you are not able to find Arbitrum 1 in this list, then you will have to click on Add Network and then you will be redirected on MetaMask where you are going to see a bunch of different networks. Here you will be able to see Arbitrum 1, so you will have to click on the Add button right next to it in order to add it. Now, once you have selected the Arbitrum network, you can start your swapping process on Uniswap. For that, you will have to first select your coin that you want to use in order to convert to any other token. After that, you will have to select the token which you want to get. Then you will have to enter the amount that you want to pay and it will show you how much you are going to receive. Then you are going to see the swap button over here, so you need to click on that swap button in order to swap your coins on Uniswap, and this is how you will be able to easily use Arbitrum on Uniswap. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.